Hello, 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 my wunderbar chickadees. Today is math class with Miss Caitlin. It is October 28th. Why don't we put that on the top of our math books right now? Your name and today's date is October 28th, 2020. Here we go. Oh, excuse me. Miss Caitlin. Squeaky clean. October 28th. You must put your name and today's date at the top of the page like we do every single day. Have you done it yet? Go right now. Go right now. Okay, here we are. We are doing counting dollar bills today, all right? So we've done nickels, we've done dimes, we've done quarters, we've done half dollars, we've done pennies, okay? And now we are doing dollar bills, all right? So things in front of the decimal point, we always start counting the largest bill first, okay? We go large to small when counting dollar bills. We go small to large when doing our actual mathematics, like when we line up, like in this guy and this guy, okay? So here we are. I've drawn some fairly uniform dollar bills on the wall in green, okay? And in the corners, I've written the numbers that are in your book. So take a look at 1A, put your finger on it now, go, boop. 1A, how many dollars? Remember to always start with the largest bill first, okay? So they laid them out in numerical order for you, so we're just gonna mosey along and add them up. 20 plus 10 is 30, plus 5 is 35, 36, 37. I have $37. So we're gonna write $37 the fancy way, with a dollar sign and a decimal point, okay? So I have 37. I put my decimal point, and there always has to be 2 digits after the decimal point. And when you have 0 cents, that's what you're going to say. 0, 0, with a dollar sign in front of everything, okay? So this is $37.00. On to the next one. Here we go. 5, 5, 5, 1, 1. 5, 10, 15, 16, $17. Oh, they're liking the... Oops. Oopsie. I forgot another dollar bill. I was like, they're really liking these 7s today. Boop, ba, boop, 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 boop. 1, here we go. All right, Miss Caitlin, it's time to start over. Here. All right, we're ready. Here we go. 5 plus 5 is 10, plus 5 is 15, 16, 17, $18. I write my full 18. I give it a decimal point and I tell them I have 0 cents, okay? 0 10s and 0 1s with a dollar sign in front of everything. That's the S with a slash or 2 slashes if you'd like to be extra, extra fancy. Okay, so that's how you count up the dollar bills in the pictures. Starting on your left, moving to your right, largest to smallest. Dollar amount, decimal point, 0 cents, dollar sign, okay? Now here I'm gonna do 2A and 4A with you. This is where they have lined up dollar and cent amounts and they want you to add them or subtract them. I'm going to do the first one in that section with you because you're so smart. You don't need me to do the rest of it with you, do you? I don't think so. I don't think so. So we're going to start in the ones place and move larger. 7 plus 2 is, very good, that's 9. 9 plus 6 is 15. Place your 5 down below and carry your 1. 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 3 is 6. And now when it comes to adding dollars and cents, you need to make sure that you bring your decimal point directly below where it has been lined up in the equation, and you also need to bring down your dollar sign. Some of us lost points on the math test for getting the dollar sign. Yow. Okay, so $2.97 plus $3.62 is $6.59. Okay? And you also have 2B, C, and D for your homework. 2B, 2C, 2D is your homework. I expect them to be completed the next time I see this book. Okay, here we go. $7.29 minus $5.39. So I'm turning the page to the back side. I'm now in section 4. So turn the page, put your finger on 4A. There it is. Whoop, there it is. Okay, now we're going to subtract. We start in the ones place and move over this way. Okay, 9 minus 8 can be done because the top number's bigger than the bottom one. 9 minus 8 is 1. 2 minus 3 can't be done because the top number's smaller than the bottom one. So I borrow from the dollars and turn it into 10 dimes. Not so bad. The 7 becomes a 6. And now I have 12 minus 3. 12 minus 3 is 9. 6 minus 5 is 1. And now I bring down my decimal point directly where it is in the equation. I also bring down my dollar sign. Okay, I need to see this work in your book. I need to see this work in your book. I need to see this work in your book. I need to know that you can do it. You have 4, B, C, and D to do as your homework. I expect them to be done the next time I see this book. Booyah! Because you're so smart. Dropping on down to 5A, put your finger on it. There it is. We read mathematical equations just like we read stories, okay? We always read left to right, unless if they're stacked up, then we still read it left to right. $7.29 minus $5.38, moving from the left to the right. We read long horizontal equations left to right, okay? Whatever comes first is what you're gonna do. That's it. You do that first. So first you have 3 times 2. And now Miss Caitlin and her pencil is going to go below the equation and start answering things to help her brain, okay? So it goes 3 times 2, well I know that is 6. And then I have 6 plus 6, that's 12. And 12 minus 2, that is 10. Okay? That's how I want you to do 5B and 5C. I want you to read them left to right, answering the equation as you go. 3 times 2 equals 6. Plus 6 is 12. Minus 2 is 10. Okay? Left to right along the equation. So 5B and 5C, that's your homework. That's your homework. I expect them to be done the next time I see this book. All right, here we go. In section 6, they want you to write this number. This is 5,000 plus 600 plus 90 plus 4. Well, okay. 5,694. Booyah, kasha. Boom, shakalaka. Boom, shakalaka. Boom, shakalaka. Okay. 6B, 6C, 6D, those are the exact same thing as 6A. So I've done the first one of section 2 for you. I've done the first one of section 4. I've done the first one of section 5, the first one of section 6. All right, in section 7, you're doing your double-digit multiplication, which we did on Monday, and that was super cool because everyone was like, what? This is so easy. And I'm like, I know. Okay, so do it again. You multiply your ones place and you put your answer in the ones place, and then you multiply the tens place and put your answer in the tens place. Boom, shakalaka, boom, shakalaka, it's done. All right, you can do it. Have a great time. I am going to read to you the brain booster at the bottom of this page. Are you ready to rumble? Here we go. Listen carefully. Oh, you know what? No, I know what I'm doing. I'll be back. In celebration of such wonderful paper bag puppets. Hello! It's me, Christopher Columbus. I'm going to do the word problem for you today. I love all my friends that you made. Fantastic. I don't know what accent this is. Okay, here we go. 3 trees in the rainforest each have a troop of kinkajous. There are 7 kinkajous living in the treetops. How many kinkajous are there all together? Miss Caitlin, what does the clue word altogether tell you to do? Altogether. Do you know what altogether tells us to do? When they want to know how much everything is all together, they want you to plus? Okay, Christopher Columbus, it's plus. Yes, prego, grazie, prego, it's plus. Okay, 3 treetops with 7 kinkajous in each tree. How many kinkajous are there all together? It's gonna be great. I believe in you. Ooh, I believe in you. Okay, Miss Caitlin, I gotta go. Okay, thank you so much for helping us today. All right, everybody say bye, Christopher Columbus. Hiya. Ta-da. All right, 3 trees, 7 kinkajous in each tree. How much is that all together? Write it down in your book. I gotta work on my Italian accent. That was horrific. Okay. All right, there's also a word problem on the front. Noah visits his grandparents for 8 days last summer. This summer he's staying 3 times as long. How many days will Noah be at his grandparents' house? Ooh. All right, so in this word problem brain boost, okay? That's my picture of a brain. All right, this is the brain boost. The clue word all together tells you to add. The word problem in number 3, the clue word is 3 times as many, all right? So they are saying 3 times as many as he did before. Now before he stayed 8 days. So this is your equation, okay? That'll give you your answer. Whenever you hear something with like a number and then the word times as long or times as much, times, that word T-I-M-E-S means to do this, okay? You're gonna multiply. Oh, I'm still like cringing at my horrific Italian accent. Oh my gosh. Prego, grazie. You gotta do your homework. Is that better? I don't know. I have to work on it. All right, everybody. If at first you don't succeed, try again. Okay, we're gonna try this Italian accent, and you are gonna do your homework. All right, section 2, section 3, section 4, section 5, section 6, and the brain boost. I think that's it. Section 7, don't forget section 7, the really fun part of multiplying double digits. Okay, boom, 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 boom. I love being your teacher. I love that you're my class. Have a great day and a great time doing your math, and I will catch you on the flip side. Shakalaka!